Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto using Trust Wallet. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, create a new wallet and write down your 12-word recovery phrase. Store this phrase in a very safe, offline location, as it is your only way to recover your funds. Finally, enable biometric authentication or set a strong PIN for daily access security. To buy cryptocurrency, open your Trust Wallet and tap the Buy button on the home screen. Next, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to spend in your local currency. Trust Wallet partners with several trusted third-party providers. Choose one and follow their steps to finalize your purchase. Your new crypto will then appear in your wallet. It is important to understand that Trust Wallet does not charge fees for using the application itself. However, when you buy crypto, you will encounter network transaction fees, which are determined by the specific blockchain. Third-party payment providers, like MoonPay or Simplex, also have their own fee structures and may impose minimum or maximum purchase amounts. Trust Wallet supports over 100 local fiat currencies and various payment methods, including credit cards and bank transfers. Protecting your digital assets is paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share your 12-word recovery phrase with anyone. It grants full access to your funds. Always keep your Trust Wallet application updated to benefit from the newest security enhancements. Be extremely cautious of phishing scams and only connect your wallet to decentralized applications you fully trust. Enabling biometric authentication and a strong PIN adds extra layers of protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.